Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event game of your 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the fourth and final game of this Saturday quadruple headers. We can see Joseph Pangilinan, the UST Tiger Cub, trying to spark itong Villa de Bacolor dito sa ating laro. Can he lead the way for them to win their second game dito as makakatapat niya itong si JM Gigante, number 15 for Bayung Porac, who scored 24 points last game for Bayung Porac. And can he lead them again to another victory dito sa ating main event game between Villa de Bacolor kontra Bayung Porac? At ako po ang inyong makakasama for this main event game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and these two teams are looking to battle it out dito. Siyempre, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong laban nila sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, and also live din po ito sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga PIO at Pampanga_PIO. And siyempre po, live din po itong laro natin simultaneously on Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Kaya po subscribe na po sa YouTube channel and like ang aming Facebook pages dito para makatutok sa anumang nangyayari dito sa Delta Cup. And we can see ang mga happenings dito sa Delta Cup. Let's focus on bracket A. Villa de Bacolor at the number 7 spot at 1 and 4. Samantalang itong Bayung Porac not too far above them, ito at 2 and 3 sa ating team standings for bracket A. So both these teams gustong makaangat nga dahil palapit na ng palapit ang quarterfinals round 1 dito sa Delta Cup. That's why every win is crucial now from here on out dahil pwestuhan na po ang labanan dito, especially from these two teams who are at the bottom half of the standings ng kanilang bracket, and hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up, it's the battle between the 1 and 4 Villa de Bacolor kontra the 2 and 3 Bayung Porac. And to introduce the start of this ball game, let's turn it over to our arena announcer.
Welcome everyone to the 2023-2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live here in the Brenzy Giao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. You can catch all the games on Facebook at Pampanga PIO, YouTube at Pampanga PIO, and also Sinag Liga TV on YouTube. Let's go on the starter for both teams. First 5 from Villa de Bacolor, jersey number 3, Dirk Makaspak. Number 15, Charles Austria. Number 1, Noel de la Cruz. Number 19, JP Pangilinan. And number 10, Jog Moral. Head coach, Rexan Cunan. Assistant coach, Erjan Capali. Jesus Pangilinan, Peter Matubuena, Jude Datu. First 5 from Team Bayung Porac. Number 6, Ramonchito Rodriguez. Number 15, Joren Gigante. Number 11, Tristan Tubangi. And number 22, Nino Maverick Vasquez. Number 9, Gian Cruz. Head coach, Arvin Ibay. And assistant coach, Larry Carlos and Lloyd Rivera. Our official referee, Erson Birds Isuga, Willie Hibe, and Noel Menchero.
And here are your starters of the game for Villa de Bacolor. They started with Austria, Makaspak, De La Cruz, Moral, and Joseph Pangilinan na para dito sa panig ng Bayung Porac. They started with Gigante, Cruz, Rodriguez, Vasquez, and double T, Tristan Tubangi. The return of the Hustle Rising Sun, Tristan Tubangi to the lineup of Bayung Porac. Makakatapat nga nila itong Villa de Bacolor. Ito nga ang simula ng ating main event game of this Saturday quadruple header. As the youngest Pangilinan right there, the brother of Miguel Pangilinan of the UST Growling Tigers, Raf Pangilinan of Pampanga Delta, and now itong si Joseph Pangilinan. As, bago tayo magsimula, mga Kapampangan, magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Tayo po ay nagbabalik dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. As apologies po sa mga nakatutok. Nagkaroon lang po ng konting technical difficulties dito. As now we start off this ball game. And Villa de Bacolor gets first possession of this ball game. Moral goes down low. They swing it over. Oh, a sorry miss right there. Para dito kay Austria. Open look from 3. No good para dito kay Rodriguez. Ramonchito Rodriguez. Nice name. As Moral floats it up and in for the first 2 points of this ball game. Good start para dito kay Chog Moral. Rodriguez goes cross court to Gigante. JM to double T. Tubangi attacks. Tristan gets stripped. And we know how good of a point guard itong si double T. Tristan Tubangi. Of course, yung legendary backcourt nila ni Speedy Harvey Salvador na nakita natin kanina for Florida Blanca, who actually was awarded best player. Can double T replicate yung ginawa ng kanyang backcourt mate sa Hustle Rising Suns. But ito, Moral from the outside, no good. Rodriguez with a rebound. Ramonchito all the way, no good pa rin. So still 2-0 in favor of Villa de Bacolor. Chog on the run, drops it off, and Joseph scores his first 2 points of the ball game. Joseph Pangilinan, the former UST Tiger Cub. There's a turnover right here for Porac. Moral on the run, and Chog, 4 points now for Chog Moral. 6-0 in favor of Villa de Bacolor to start off. Great start for this 7th seed. Villa de Bacolor right here. Let's look at this beautiful layup. Galing dito kay Chog Moral. 4 points now to his tally, and it's now 6-0 in favor of Villa de Bacolor. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. As we can see, Joseph Pangilinan, the former Pampanga Prodero Theme Park champion. And also the former UST Tiger Cub. Now with 2 points into his tally, and look at them pressure right here. And Austria with a steal. Moral, who has 4 points already in this ball game. Chog on the run. Gives it dito. O naagaw pa Rodriguez on the run. Gigante all alone. And this is where JM Gigante scores, and he shines in this kinds of games. The running game, and JM finally scores the first 2 points of the ball game para dito sa Porac. Moral. The layup. Whoa! What a layup right there by Chog Moral. 6 points. 6 out of the 8 points ng Villa de Bacolor. Credit itong si Chog Moral. Let's look at his beautiful drive. Great screen. Galing dito kay Makaspak. And then Moral just casually finger rolls that through. Now make that 7 points para dito kay Chog Moral. What a start for Coach Rexan Cunan's team. Gian. He'll attack the lob. Oh, what an eye in the sky play. Big to big. Gian Cruz to Nino Vasquez. What will Villa de Bacolor answer? They try to go down low. Vasquez taps the ball. As the last time you guys saw, etong Bayung Porac was a win against Arayat when they won 73-53 last January 26. Of course, itong Villa de Bacolor last January 25 when they lost 67-79 to Kaluguran. As Villa de Bacolor, Villa de Bacolor turns it over, and Bayung Porac was on the run but natapik. Shot attempt doon ni Tristan Tubangi. Let's look at this. Good defense right here. Good hands. Galing kay Austria. Nako play. Vasquez niluwa ng ring, but he'll troop to the line for 2. Good pass by Double T. Nino Vasquez will troop to the free throw line. Nino misses on the first free throw. Oh, 0 for 2 that time for Nino. Dirk Makaspak with a board. Chog gives it to Joseph Makaspak. Back to Moral. Moral on the run. This time with the left hand. 9 first quarter points now for Chog Moral. Gigante. The reverse layup is good for JM Gigante. And Moral on the other end, babawi dapat, hindi makascore. Tumatakbo itong si Rodriguez. He has Cruz on his left. Cruz the up fake, and Gian with his first 2 points. And that's a clear traveling violation whistle dito on Noel de la Cruz. Substitution right here for Villa de Bacolor. Pasok. Or uupo. Itong si Dirk Makaspak. Mas papasok itong si number 20. Macves Manse. Gian at the post. Gets Manase to foul him. Good move right here for Gian Cruz. As this is actually an interesting to note right here for Gian Cruz. Gian Cruz and Joseph Pangilinan have already faced each other in an 18-under tournament that I actually covered that time. Itong si Joseph Pangilinan represented Pampanga Prodero Theme Park. Gian Cruz represented Luwidwan Kapampangan. And Pampanga Prodero Theme Park did win that matchup. So baka may sour grapes itong si Gian Cruz on Joseph Pangilinan ngayong araw. As gusto niyo makabawi. Speaking of Joseph, knocks it down from the jumper as his Kuya Raf Kuya Rafael Pangilinan is actually watching him right now. Nino on the run. Vasquez puts it up and in, plus a foul. Strong drive galing dito kay Nino Vasquez. And he ties the game at 11. Let's look at this one more time. Vasquez up against Manase and he puts it up and in over Manase's head. So Nino with his first free throw right here. And he knocks it down. 1 out of 3 from the free throw line na itong si Vasquez, but he gives itong Bayung Porac a 3-point lead right here, 14-11. Moral. Tapigan ng bola. Mapupunta dito sa Bayung Porac. Rodriguez. Ito, Villa de Bacolor on the run. Oh, good move. Galing dito kay Manluta. Nakapasok pa lang yan ni Clarence and immediately giving Coach Rex Sancunan some offense off the bench. Rodriguez. Oh, stolen away right here by De La Cruz. And a counter steal by JM. Gigante to double T, and Tristan scores his first 2 points of the ball game. What a backcourt this is. JM Gigante and double T, Tristan Tubangi. Clarence traveled right there. Yung dalawa pwede ipito, traveling at stepping out of bounds. Both referees called each other. It's the traveling that ang ipito. There's the fast break by JM Gigante going over to double T, Tristan Tubangi. The easy layup. 15-14, a 1-point lead being protected here by Villa de Bacolor. Gian goes to Tristan. Tristan spins. Drops it off to Vasquez. Vasquez the jumper. No go. Joseph on a 2-on-1. Pangilinan no looks it to De La Cruz, and Noel puts it up and in. A quick counter right here for Bayung Porac. But Gian is trapped by 4 defenders and he turns it over. De La Cruz on the run. De La Cruz blocked by Rodriguez. What a denial by Ramoncito Rodriguez. What a block there by Ramoncito Rodriguez. Pangilinan from his favorite spot. This time he misses. But he drops it down low in an easy layup para dito kay Macves Manase. 19-14, 3 minutes and 11 remaining in this quarter. Gigante from the outside, in and out. Cruz with a rebound. Gian muscles his way through. Chod Moral again trying to squeeze through defenders. This time, natapikan siya, but ball stays with them. As Vasquez goes out, papasok itong si Miko Gigante. As well as itong si Papa Capulong. Moral to inbound, gives it to Manase. Macves from the outside, no go to Bangi with a board. Here comes double T. Tristan gives it over and basket, and one yan for Rafa Capulong. Instant offense, and once again, that's from a creation from double T. Let's look at his dime right here for Tubangi going over to Capulong. And Capulong, the known shooter of Bayung Porac, will get the 3-point play the old-fashioned way. Capulong completes the 3-point play. Mas babalik itong si Charles Austria, replacing itong si Noel de la Cruz. Moral. They have a 3-point lead right now. Chog goes to the attack, kicks it to Austria. Well read right there by Jorem. Gigante on the attack. Jorem, the layup, puts it up and in. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Bayung Porac. Austria travels that time. Clear traveling violation whistled there. Right in front of the referees. A minute and 30 remaining in this quarter. Tubangi pulls up. Tristan misses. Forward pass broken up right there by Gigante. That's Miko Gigante, should I say. Tubangi goes to the corner. Cruz gives it. Oh! Wala dun sa spot na pinasahan niya. Ito si JM Gigante. As Coach Rexan Cunan of Villa de Bacolor calls for time here. His team is down by 2 points, 21-19. Sinag Lakas 40 Semifinals Game 2. Mangyayari po yan bukas sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center. The game number 2 between Taytay J Project and Tito Rex's Firewire and Santa Rosa Lionsades and the home team Malolos Republic. Can Tito Rex Firewire and Santa Rosa Lionsades book their ticket to the finals, or will Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic live to fight another game? Malalaman natin po yan bukas sa Sinag Lakas 40 Game number 2. Eto, dito tayo sa Delta Cup. Steal by Gian Cruz. Tosses it up. Back to Gian. Kapulong, unselfish play right there. And he gives Gian another basket right there. Gian, I believe, with now 6 points into his tally. Moral natapikan. Kapulong, nauuna na. A 3-on-none. And Kapulong with the easy layup. 5 points now for Kapulong. Now a 6-point lead para sa Bayung Porac. Moral spins, kicks it out. Austria from the outside, too strong. And there's a foul whistle here. It's gonna be on Miko Gigante. 8.7 seconds natitira sa ating first quarter. Baseline inbound for the men in white. What will Villa de Bacolor do? Moral gets blocked up top. 1 second remaining. One-handed floater, niluwa pa para dito kay Manase, at dyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter action. It was a 7-0 start para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. But all of a sudden, pagpasok neto nila Papa Kapulong and the others started heating up like JM Gigante, Gian Cruz, at etong si Double T, Tristan Tubangi and Nino Vasquez. Nagsimula ng maging on the roll na etong Bayung Porac dito sa ating first quarter action. They're looking for back-to-back victories dito sa Sinag or sa 2024 Delta Cup, and that's why they are up by 6 points, 25-19 after the end of the first period. Sa mga nanonood ng mga kasinag namin dyan, abang-abang lang po kayo sa mga upcoming tournaments ng Sinag Liga Asia, kasi this March 2024, the 19 under and 23 under tournaments are going to happen. And some of these players na napapanood nyo dito sa Delta Cup are possibly going to represent some of the Kapampangan teams here as start off this second period. Bayung Porac with the basketball. Naku puts it up and in. Pagpasok dito ni Kenneth Naku, score agad. Normally, he's a starter, but since Tubangi is now with Bayung Porac, he comes off the bench, but yet, same thing he does. Attack, attack, attack. As Pangilinan goes over to Austria, and they couldn't connect on the eye in the sky play. Another turnover para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Bayung Porac looking for a double-digit spread in this possession. Rodriguez gives it dito to Naku. They swing it over to Kapulong. Naku from the outside. Kenneth misses. Tumatakbo na itong Villa de Bacolor. Oh, good tap by Naku.
And again, good defense by Villa de Bacolor right here.
And again, another tap. Manlutak couldn't score, but on the spin, Noel de la Cruz scores that time. Wild possession right there for Villa de Bacolor. Luckily, it landed on Noel de la Cruz's hands. Naku looking eye to eye with his defender, gives it to Rodriguez. Ramonchito being defended. Rodriguez attacks. Rodriguez bullet pass. Natapik. Another substitution for Villa de Bacolor. Pasok. Etong si Gabriel Lapira. Uupo muna. Etong si Charles Austria. Three-pointer for Kapulong is short, but nasa kanyang offensive rebound. It did hit the rim. Everybody stopped playing, and there's a foul. It's gonna be on Gigante, Miko Gigante. You can see the head coach of Bayung Porac right there, Coach Arvin Ibay on your screens. His team is up right now by 6 points, 27 to 21. Uy, sayang yun para dito kay Manlutak as Ramonchito all the way to the basket. What a basket right there for Rodriguez. Manlutak. Hop step. No good nga lang yung kanyang layup. Good move na sana. Look at everyone, both players don't want to let go of the basketball, and they let go at the same time. Both Canlas and Manlutak really hustling hard. Take a look at this one more time. Nakagawa ng bola doon. Like an NFL scramble for the basketball. Sorry miss right there for Lapira. 7 minutes and 35 remaining in this first half. Naku kicks it to Kapulong. Rafa kicks it to Kenneth. They give it back to Miko. Rafa, another shot at three, no good. Tapikan ng bola, Miko try to keep it alive. Miko does, and Gigante is fouled. So Miko Gigante will go back to the free throw line. It's a good hustle galing dito sa Bayung Porac. Substitution right here for Villa de Bacolor. Papasok itong si Joe Marie Santos. He'll replace itong si Noel de la Cruz. Gigante's first free throw is a miss there. See if he can make the second. In and out and back in again para dito kay Gigante. What will Villa de Bacolor answer? They're down by 9. A good pass underneath. Lapira scoops it up, no go. Offensive rebound and put back. Nagmintis pa kay Makaspak. And finally on the third try, Makaspak scores. Naku hands it off to Rodriguez. Rodriguez gets stripped from behind. Tumatakbo na ang mga nakaputi. Joseph on the run. Pangilinan will sky for the layup. And that layup ni Joseph Pangilinan cuts the lead down to 5 points. 30 to 25, 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito. natin yung layup doon ni Joseph Pangilinan. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Bayung Porac, 30-25. Tayo po ay nagbabalik dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Nakikita natin ang mga kabalen dito sa loob ng Brenzy Giao. Trying to prevent myself from saying kasinag. Pero mali naman natin mga kasinag pala din talaga ng mga nandirito as all ages dahil nga it's a weekend. Of course, we know weekends are normally family time. Of all ages po nanonood dito. Lalong-lalo na kanina ng third game. Daming tao dito. It's Tubangi on the run. Nagmamadali si Tristan dun. Ends up at a turnover. Moral. Big steps to the basket. Too strong nga lang yung layup niya. And it will go back to Bayung Porac. Cruz. And here comes the two players that I've said na nagkatapat na beforehand. Rodriguez, three-pointer, and that's good para dito kay Ramoncito. Eight-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. Oh, good layup. Galing dito kay Jomari Santos. Bawian lang ng baskets dito, but for Villa de Bacolor, they cannot afford that because they are down currently in this ball game. Ramoncito, back-to-back threes ba? No good for Rodriguez as Cruz puts it up and in, plus a foul right in front of Joseph Pangilinan. That's the matchup that I've talked about. Let's take a look at this. There's the miss by Rodriguez, and then Cruz just barrels through Joseph Pangilinan right there. Cruz misses the bonus free throw, but look at that hustle galing dito. Stanley Canlas and Cruz again is fouled. Is it on Makaspang or Jomari Santos? It's gonna be on Dirk Makaspang. Substitution babalik dito si Gabriel Lapira. Gian Cruz really pushing the pace dito. The offensive rebounding, the post-ups, and getting to the line. But yun nga lang, his free throw shooting is something that he's improving in this ball game. Of course, former Luid 1 Kapampangan Cager. Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan for sure is happy that his boys are performed so well in this game or in this day. Kasi halos lahat na naglaro dito, puro halos Luid 1 players. Chog. Euro step to the basket. Sumobra nga lang yung pektos ng bola. And Santos that time travels. Turnover na naman for Villa de Bacolor. Four minutes and 30 remaining in this ball game. In this first half, rather. Rodriguez to Kapulong. Rafa kicks it to Tubangi. Double T. In and out yung kanyang tres. Oh, and that's a miscue for Villa de Bacolor. Rodriguez. Bullet pass to Stanley Canlas, pero masyadong malakas, and that ends up in a turnover for Bayung Porac. Babalik si Noel de la Cruz on the floor, replacing Jomari Santos for Villa de Bacolor. And JM Gigante coming back in, replacing Ramoncito Rodriguez. Moral gives it. We go back to Chog. Relatively quiet second quarter for Chog Moral after an explosive first. And here's a steal by Tubangi. Double T, lobs it up. Gigante with the finish. Eye in the sky for the two guards of Bayung Porac. Lapira goes baseline, blocked by Stanley Canlas. Pangilinan. A big bump right there by Manlutak, and that's an offensive foul whistled here on Clarence. And Macvis Manase comes back in. Babalik din itong si papasok for the first time ito si Carlos Soto. Upo muna si Lapira at si Manlutak. As Nino Vasquez comes back into the game, uupo itong si Rafa Kapulong for Bayung Porac. 11-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. Gigante from the outside and JM knocks it down. 14-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. Chog from the outside. Still no go. Vasquez the toss up to JM. Here comes Manase. Manase all the way to the basket. Gigante goes to Tabangi. Tristan the spin. Tried to drop it off to Vasquez. Natapik nga lang. Ball will stay dito sa panig ng Bayung Porac. 5 seconds to shoot for Bayung Porac. Pass on the baseline. Oh, look at that. Gigante. Beautiful up pick and finger roll from JM. Soto steps out of bounds in another turnover para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Cruz will try from deep. Banks it! Banks it! Banks it! Bank is open para dito kay Gian Cruz. Gian Cruz is on fire. And the lead is now ballooned to 17. 46-29 in favor of Bayung Porac. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in this first half. Gian Akira Cruz, former Louis Juan Kapampangan Cager, banks in this three-pointer. The bank is open on the Saturday para dito kay Gian Cruz. He has that shot. We've seen him do that. And now he's performing possibly his best game dito sa Delta Cup right now. Or you could say his best half. What will Villa de Bacolor answer? They're down currently by 17 big points. Chog, pull-up jumper. Back iron and Vasquez with a rebound. Tubangi on the run, gives it to JM. Back to Tristan. Double T. Hesitated to shoot that three that time. Throws a wild pass papunta dun kay Gigante. So a turnover para dito sa Bayung Porac. Joseph. He kicks it to the corner. Soto, 1-foot fadeaway. Ho, ho, ho. What a shot there galing dito kay Carlos Soto. A Dirk-like fadeaway, 15 points ang hinahabol dito ng Villa de Bacolor. Gigante. Rejects the screen of Canlas. Montik pang maagawan. Canlas on the roll. Stanley puts it up and in. First 2 points of the ball game for Stanley Canlas. Soto goes down low and that'll be an easy bucket para dito kay Noel de la Cruz. Final 47 seconds of this first half and Nino Vasquez with a jackhammer layup right there. It's just an exchange of baskets and that's why 17 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Porac. 30 seconds remaining in the second period. Manase, easy layup. Good dime. Galing dito kay Noel de la Cruz. Macbeth Manase with another basket. Ito, Tubangi will wait for the final shot of this quarter. 15 seconds. Shot clock is off. Double T will attack. Tristan all the way to the basket for Double T.
Oh, that pass went through pero nahuli. Yung layup ni Soto at
Diyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action. Bayung Porac exploding in this second quarter. They now have a 17-point lead dito entering the halftime break. Makikita natin ang ating mga second quarter highlights. Joseph Pangilinan with that suabe layup right there. But guys like itong si Ramonchito Rodriguez knocking down some threes together with Gian Cruz, JM Gigante. Itong Bayung Porac started to catch fire from downtown. And ito yung napakagandang highlight. Double T to JM Gigante. Eyeing the sky play from the two starting guards of Bayung Porac. And that's why they're up by 17 big points, 52-35, entering the halftime of this final game of the 2024 Delta Cup. Tayo po na nagbabalik dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as ito, 17-point lead para sa Bayung Porac, 52-35 against Villa de Bacolor at the half, as we can see some of these halftime highlights dito. Jog Moral started the game very, very hot. Nagka 7-0 start nga itong Villa de Bacolor, but then the counter run galing dito kay JM Gigante and Tristan Tubangi, as well as itong si Ramonchito Rodriguez. Sparked up etong Bayung Porac, and that's why they are now up by 17 big points, the biggest lead of this ballgame. Dami mo pa yung Nino Vasquez, umi-score din dito, and Gian Cruz right here, and here comes the eye in the sky play from Tubangi to JM Gigante, and here comes our leading scorers. Jog Moral with 9 points, Marquez Manase with 6 together with Noel de la Cruz para sa Villa de Bacolor for Bayung Porac. Gian Cruz with 15, Joren Gigante with 11. Let's tingnan nga natin anong mangyayari dito sa ating second half of this main event game. As Di Marukot, ngayon palang pinasok ni Coach Arvin Ibay. Itong si Di Marukot, normally, he's one of the first players coming off the bench for him. At dahil nga sa ganda ng mga nilalaro ng ibang mga big man niya, Di Marukot is now starting for the second half. So let's see if it just will add on to this headache ng Villa de Bacolor as Rodriguez drops it off, and Di Marukot, like I said, instant offense for Coach Arvin Ibay. And a steal here by Vasquez. Also in, ito si Hans Perez, number 17. For them as Vasquez drops it off, and there's a traveling violation whistle dito para kay Blake Canlas. 19-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac, the biggest of this ball game. Chog to Joseph from the outside. And Pangilinan misses the three-pointer. And a steal here, and a counter steal by Perez. Wild possession right here. Vasquez gives it to Blake. Canlas powers through, no good. Rebounded by Pangilinan. And then, oh! I thought that would be an easy layup for Manuta. He still misses the gimme. Three-pointer. Oh, sabit. Sabit ito si Blake Canlas, and he's holding on to his leg. I think he might have gotten the worst of it pa.
Blake Canlas first down. People number 1. Red team free throws.
Jog Moral will shoot 3 free throws as Blake Canlas a little bit slow to get up. Pinapagpag lang niya. I didn't see if he tweaked his ankle or pinulikat lang ba si Blake Canlas, but he'll be replaced. Gian Cruz comes back in with 15 first half points. So we can see right here. Jog Moral to the free throw line. He misses the first free throw. He has 3. This opportunity cut the lead further down. Chog, second free throw is a make. Rodriguez. And Ramonchito, the layup, sobra lang. Tapik din, wala for Vasquez. Perez kicks it to Di Marukot. They give it to Cruz. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Cruz needs to fire it. Ends up in a turnover. Tumatakbo ay 2-on-none for Villa de Bacolor. And the jelly layup right there. Para dito kay Chog Moral. A timeout here by Bayung Porac. Let's look at this beautiful jelly layup galing dito kay Chog Moral walking in midair. Cuts the lead down dito 54-39. (54-39) in favor of Bayung Porac. 7 minutes and 34 remaining dito. Again, these two teams are at the bottom half of bracket A. Looking to go up dahil nga, mga kabalin, lahat po ng team, there will be 8 teams na papasok doon sa quarterfinals 1. 11 teams of Group A, 10 teams from Group B. 8 top teams in each group will advance to the next round, and the top 4 teams of each group will have a twice-to-beat advantage in quarterfinals round 1. So sa 11 team dito sa bracket A, dahil dun po naglalaro, etong dalawang kuponan na to sa bracket A, 11 teams na meron doon, 8 ang papasok, and the top 4 will have a twice-to-beat advantage. Now, these 2 teams playing right now are at the bottom half of that standings ng bracket A. So what will happen is gusto nila makakuha ng as many wins as they can para hindi sila ma-eliminate, hindi sila kasama sa tatlong malalaglag. Sa quarterfinals round 1, let's check out this last play as hinihingi ng coach's challenge. Ito si Coach Rexan Cuna ng Villa de Bacolor. He says that bola dapat dito Villa de Bacolor, and it is ball of Bacolor dahil nga challenge is successful. Good challenge by Coach Rexan Cunan. Again, if you're Bayung Porac, you should not relax dahil pwedeng kumambak dito. Still a lot of time remaining in this ball game as Chog kicks it. That's a traveling violation whistle on Chog Moral. Vasquez tosses it up dito to Rodriguez. Try to pass it down low to Cruz. Turnover. Here comes Chog. Euro step. Puts it up and in. Plus a foul. Great move there by Chog Moral. And it cuts the lead down to 13. Let's take a look at this one more time. This beautiful Euro step move galing dito kay Chog Moral against the taller Nino Vasquez. And he gets the basket plus a foul dito. Baba sa 13 ang Kalamangan. Make that 12 points na lang ang Kalamangan dito ng Porac. JM, crossover, spin move. Bumawi! Right back at you, sabi ni JM Gigante. Look at this move by JM Gigante. The cross, the spin, the shot, and the basket plus a foul. And I quote one of my partners sa panel, "Welcome to my TikTok." Gigante converts the bonus free throw. Chog goes over to Joseph. Pangilinan attacks, Pangilinan misfires. On the run na naman itong Porac. Perez back to Gigante. They swing it to the corner. Di Marucot from the outside. Off the mark. And Manasseh is fouled. Foul will be called on Di Marucot. Sean gets his first personal foul. Moral kicks it. Three-pointer by Noel. In and out para dito kay De La Cruz. Dahil tumama sa paa ni Gian Cruz. Ball stays with Villa de Bacolor. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Dirk gives it to Joseph. Back to Chog. Moral takes a three-pointer. Back irons that one in Gigante. Up high for the rebound pero nakuha pa rin ng white shirt. Joseph, one dribble, pull up, knocks it down for Joseph. Joseph Pangilinan needs to go in that Klay Thompson mode again in order for them to win as Gian misses that layup. Another chance for Villa de Bacolor to cut the lead down. Moral, natapikan ni Vasquez, but that is called for a foul. Vasquez again with another foul here. Papakapulong comes back in. Second personal foul para dito kay Nino Vasquez. Double T comes in. Upo muna itong si Hans Perez. We're at the midway point of the third period dito. 5 minutes and 2 natitira. Joseph. Swings it over to Chog. Moral on the attack. Moral tried to drop it off pero hindi nakatingin. Etong si Dirk Makaspak. Another turnover for Villa de Bacolor who are trailing by 13 points. Gigante on the attack. JM. Whoa! What a drive there by JM Gigante. Joren Mark Gigante again exploding in this third period. De La Cruz goes underneath. Makaspak puts it up and in. Good setup play by Noel De La Cruz. To Bangi. You can see it. Bayung Porac is really pushing the pace dito. Every time they can run, they will run even after a made basket. That's why nahihirapan ng Villa de Bacolor as Tubangi spins, drops it off to Cruz. Cruz misses. Kanya pa rin ang offensive rebound. Cruz pinilit. Wala pa rin. And finally, Joseph Pangilinan with a rebound. Oh, but he turns it over. Another miscue for Villa de Bacolor. Three minutes and 44 remaining. Kapulong from way downtown, knocks it down from 2 steps behind the three-point line. Kapulong with another three here. It's his second three-point conversion of the ball game. Manase attacks. Short yung tira niya doon. Here comes Tubangi. Gives it to Cruz. Gian drops it off to JM. Good defense by Villa de Bacolor. Rafa gives it to JM. Joren spins baseline. And Gigante again. No good pa rin. Pero kanya pa yung offensive rebound. But he steps out of bounds. So ball will go back dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Moral. 2 minutes and 56 natitira sa ating quarter. Chog. Kicks it to the corner. Joseph, is this his three-pointer? No go pa rin. So still only one three-point conversion para dito kay Joseph Pangilinan. But there was a pushing foul underneath. Whistled here on Nino Vasquez. Since third personal foul na yun ni Nino Vasquez, babalik muna ni Coach Arvin Ibay etong si Stanley Canlas. Noel De La Cruz with 2 free throws right here. Knocks down the first one. Ito si Coach Rex Sancunan, right there, the head coach of Villa de Bacolor. 1 out of 2. Itong si De La Cruz. Ball stays dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. Moral to inbound. So hold on, the shot clock was running. Babalik si Joe Marie Santos. He will replace itong si Dirk Makaspak. 12 seconds to shoot for the men in white. Moral having trouble inbounding. Oh! What a play right there para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Misdirection play right there. As Gigante, do not blink if you're against JM Gigante. Chog, step back, triple.
Di pumasok, but an offensive rebound for Noel de la Cruz. Pangilinan, another three-pointer, still out of sync ang kanyang shooting. And double T on the run. Tubangi against everybody. Left that layup short. Moral the layup against Gian Cruz. No problem, sabi ni Chog Moral. A minute and 49 remaining in this third period. 64-51 ang ating score. Gian isolated in the low box. Cruz trying to power through. Gian, whoa! Call the weight room, sabi dito ni Gian Cruz. Now 17 points for Gian Cruz in this game. Will Villa de Bacolor have that comeback in them? But they need itong si Joseph Pangilinan to catch fire if they want to, cut this lead further down. Joseph natapikan sa likod ni Kapulong. Tubangi dives on the ground. Kapulong picks it up. Look at this ball pressure defense right here by Villa de Bacolor. Gigante lobs it to Canlas. Regathers. Natapikan, and ball will go back dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. Pangilinan manning the point, gives it back to Chog. Moral attacks and he is fouled. Oh! That shot won't count as impressive as it was. Foul was on the ground. But it will still mean 2 free throws para dito kay Chog Moral. And nga penalty na itong Bayung Porac. First one is good for Chog, as you can see Coach Arvin Ibay right there. 1 out of 2 for Chogas. Look at that basket, and 1 para dito kay Joseph Pangilinan. Offensive rebound and putback. Stanley Canlas with the foul. Ito nga yung sinasabi natin. Bacolor slowly but surely trying to cut the lead down here. It's now down to 12 again. As Joseph free throw cuts the lead down to 11 at babalik pa. For them, ito si Clarence Manlutak. He'll replace Noel de la Cruz. Tubangi manning the point for Bayung Porac. We're up by 11. 36 seconds remaining sa ating third period. Tristan kicks it to Kapulong. Off the mark, but look at Tubangi. Just snatched that ball away from Manlutak. We've seen that from Double T when he played for the Hustle Rising Suns ng Born 2001 Cup sa Sinag Liga Asia. And Tubangi did it one more time in this ball game. Fortunately, Tristan misses the first free throw. Let's see if he can make the second. Yes, he does. 12-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. One second difference, shot clock, game clock. 16 seconds natitira sa ating third period. Moral going through 2 players, and he draws another foul dito. Gigante right after the worst of it dahil siya pa yung foul at natamaan pa siya sa mukha. This will be 2 free throws once again for Chog Moral. Si Kapulong pala ang foul doon, not Gigante, but Gigante did get hit in the face. Inadvertently, should I say. Inadvertent contact. 1 out of 2 for Morales. Canlas goes down. 5.4 seconds remaining. Tubangi tosses it up to Canlas, pero ran out of real estate, so another chance for Villa de Bacolor here. They're down by 11, so a basket here to end the quarter will give them just a single-digit lead for Bayung Porac. Moral stripped away. 1 second remaining from half court. Ooh! nearly for Kapulong at dyan magtatapos ang ating third quarter of action dito. Still a double-digit lead para dito sa Bayung Porac, 67-56. Eto si JM. Joren Mark Gigante again, another great showing from him. What a duel between etong si JM Gigante and Chog Moral dito. The battle of the two starting point guards of each team, and then also the snipers, kanina si Papa Kapulong and also ito si Joseph Pangilinan, as this was the beautiful cross, spin, and basket and one para dito kay Joren Mark Gigante. That's why lamang ng 11 puntos dito ang Bayung Porac, 67-56, entering the fourth and final quarter of the 2024 Delta Cup. Tayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup, as this is the last quarter of our Saturday quadruple header dito. His first possession of the quarter goes to Bayung Porac. We're up by 11 points right now. Tubangi against Pangilinan. Gigante goes to Tristan. Double T with a jumper is short. Here comes Chog. On the run itong si Moral. Oh, no look pass papunta kay Pangilinan, and the lead is cut down to 9. Good pass right there by Chog Moral. As the toss up to Vasquez. They give it back to Tubangi. Gigante. Cruz demands the ball at the post. He finally gets it. Rodriguez, oh, good basket right here for Ramonchito. Back to an 11-point lead for Bayung Porac. Moral to Joseph. Pangilinan from the outside. Off the mark pa rin. But nasa kanila, and Jomari Santos with the basket underneath. Seesaw affair, 69-69 point lead for Bayung Porac. Tubangi fakes the pass, the Euro step, and Tubangi shoot to the line for 2. On the act of shooting yung tiro doon ni Tristan Tubangi, so he'll go back to the free throw line. Was Double T once again. He represented the Hustle Rising Sun sa Sinag Liga Asia Board 2001 Cup. Trying to replicate what his backcourt mate Speedy Harvey Salvador did kanina na nanalo ng Florida Blanca in the earlier game natin. Right here, Double T also wants to win for Bayung Porac. Up sila by 10 as, oh, look at that drive, but a sorry miss dito para kay Manase. Tubangi. Uy, muntik lang, but Gigante's tap doesn't work. And Migs, a clear offensive foul right there on Joseph Pangilinan. And we can see right here, Coach Arvid Ibay asking for a replay review. Let's watch this right here. Clearly, Joseph hits Tubangi on the face. Coach Arvid Ibay asking for a review. I think our referees is telling them that tumama lang sa mukha, inadvertently, no intention to hurt. Napituhan naman ang offensive foul dito si Joseph Pangilinan. 14 seconds on the shot clock for Bayung Porac. Rodriguez going one-on-one dito with Noel de la Cruz. They pass it to Tubangi. Tristan to Jorem. JM puts it up and in. It's the Jorem Mark Gigante show. What an attack here by Joren Gigante. Balik sa 12 ang kanilang kalamangan. De la Cruz drops it off to Manase. Manase misses. De La Cruz going over to Rodriguez, and Rodriguez,
Oh, sobra lang yung layup.
Seven minutes and 36 remaining. Moral. No good, and Manase gets fouled by Gigante. It's gonna be 2 free throws para dito kay Macbeth Manase. It's the first team foul para dito sa Bayung Porac. Macbeth Manase trying his best to battle out the bigs dito. And Bayung Porac makes the first free throw. Two for two. Pa rin ito kay Macbeth Manase. Double T. Trying to protect a 10-point lead with 7 minutes and 20. They give it dito to Rodriguez. Vasquez waiting for the ball there. Umatake si Rodriguez. Nabitin lang for Romanchito. Chog kicks it. Uy, bitin din yung layup para dito kay Makaspak. Itong Villa de Bacolor cannot afford those misses dito. They're trailing right now. There's a dribbling infraction whistle dito on Gigante. And he's saying na natapik daw yung bola, but referee saw otherwise. Babalik on the floor itong si Papa Kapulong. Uupo muna ito si Rodriguez. 72 to 62, 6 minutes and 43 natitira sa ating laro. $19 seconds on the shot clock for Villa de Bacolor. Pangilinan shoots the three-pointer. No good pa rin. And there's a holding foul whistle here. Clearly on Kapulong dahil na nagka-mismatch sila underneath. Second personal foul on Rafa Kapulong. Makaspak gives it dito to Manase. Moral really tripped. Joseph will attack. Tried to drop it off pero naharangan. Ball stays sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor with 1.4 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Are they aware? Manase puts it up and in.
Beating the shot clock right there.
8-point lead na lang. What a shot there by Macbeth Manase. Here comes Gigante on the run. And Joren traveled that time, so another stop for Villa de Bacolor. Chance here to cut the lead down to 6, maybe even 5 with a three-pointer. Pangilinan gives it to Manase. He'll attack. Manase puts it up and in. 6 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Porac.
Bayung Porac looking like deer in headlights right now. They can't seem to score in the past few possessions.
Tubangi rejects the screen ni Vasquez. Tristan,
Oh, beautiful shoulder fake right there. But they couldn't get the basket to go. Here comes Villa de Bacolor, a golden opportunity. As Moral draws another foul, that'll be Bayung Porac's third team foul.
and third personal foul para dito kay Joren Gigante. Kenneth Naku comes back in for Bayung Porac, replacing itong si Tristan Tubangi. Chog gives it to Joseph. Moral from way downtown. Off the mark, tapi ka ng bola. Goes out of bounds and ball will stay dito sa Villa de Bacolor. And Coach Arvin Ibay asking for a coach's challenge. They will give it to him. out this replay right here. Who did touch it last? Was it Kapulong or was it etong si Makaspak? Referees asking and telling us na challenge is unsuccessful right here for Bayung Porac. Ball will remain dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Again, the door is wide open. Just a 6-point lead dito. Let's check this out one more time. Kapulong versus Makaspak right there. They both tap the ball. But didn't hit Makaspak's fingers pa. Referee say it didn't. Last touch daw dun. Ito si Rafa Kapulong. Manase. Hounded there. Natapikan sa likod. Here comes Naku. Kenneth on the run. Kenneth. Again, ball was tapped from behind and it will stay sa panig ng Bayung Porac. Baseline inbound for Bayung Porac. Cruz receives it at the low block. Gian forcing the issue right there. Foul is on Manase. Fourth personal foul on Macvis Manase. As Gian Cruz to the free throw line knocks, or no, misses the first one. Let's see if he can make the second. 2 for 2 para dito kay Gian Cruz. (73-66). 7-point lead para dito. Ang Bayung Porac. Long three-pointer right there for Chog. Oh, nauna na si Kapulong. Rafa will get a gimme. That forces Coach Rexan Cunan to call for time dito. Bumalik sa 9 points ang kalamangan ng Bayung Porac. 75-66 after this layup right here by Rafa Kapulong. Walang ka-problema, no challenge, no problem, says Rafa Kapulong. 75-66 is our score. 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in this ball game. Makikita natin ang ating face of the game. Congratulations po, ma'am. You are our face of the game dito. I don't know po anong mapapanalunan nyo, but you are our face of the game for our final game ngayong araw. But 4 minutes and 18 seconds natitira sa ating final game of this Saturday quadruple header. 9-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. De La Cruz gives it to Manase. The jumper off the mark. Kapulong with a rebound. Here comes Naku. Kenneth dribbling against Pangilinan. They go down low to Gian. Gian. Good defense right there by Manase. But they really lost possession of the ball. De La Cruz. Naagaw pa ni Vasquez and Nino misses the layup. Manase on the attack, kicks it. Joseph, this will be huge. No-go pa rin for Joseph. Here comes Bayung Porac looking to nail the hammer down, looking to put away etong Villa de Bacolor in this possession. Gigante gives it to Kapulong. Rafa, no good. Look at Gigante with a rebound. Hindi nga na pumasok yung kanyang putback. Villa de Bacolor needs to hurry things up. They're down by 9. De La Cruz between the legs. He'll attack. And he is fouled Great possession right there, galing sa Villa de Bacolor, the defensive stop. And then right here, they get a foul. And 2 free throws with a time stop. Noel de la Cruz with 2 crucial free throws to cut the lead down. It's currently at 9. Oh, he back irons the free throw right there. Can he make the second and make it an 8-point lead para sa Bayung Porac? With the situation calling for it, penalty na dito ang Bayung Porac did. So every foul they make is free throws for Villa de Bacolor na naghabol ng 8 puntos na lang. Naku gives it to Gian. Cruz attacks the gap. Gian all the way to the basket. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Bayung Porac. Now Cruz again, very dominant in this ball game. And he challenges Chog Moral's shot there. Gigante. Stripped away by Pangilinan. Lumabas dun si Pangilinan after the steal. So ball stays with Bayung Porac. Naku. 16 seconds on the clock for Bayung Porac. They give it to Cruz at the post. Cruz hands it off. Gigante. No good pa rin. Cruz gets it back. Last 2 minutes tayo dito. And Naku, no good from 3.
Oh, Gigante's down on the ground. Possibly hurting of cramps as there's a foul. And Joren still slow to get up. Foul is on Nino Vasquez. I believe that's his 5th and final foul. As Joren Gigante slow to get up and has a little bit of a wobble there sa kanyang paglakad. And he's asking for a substitution right now. Coach Arvin will tap itong si Rodriguez to come in for Gigante. Two free throws para dito kay Chog Moral. Knocks down the first one, cuts the lead down to 9. Minute and 52 remaining in this ball game. Moral goes 1 out of 2. Oh, Bacolor gets the possession back. Moral, 3-pointer. That would have been huge. As Romanchito Rodriguez with a rebound. And they turn it over nga lang for Bayung Porac. No need for a 3 if you're Villa de Bacolor. Just need to score here. Joseph gives it to Chog. 7 seconds to shoot for Villa de Bacolor. Moral drops it up to De La Cruz. Short nga lang yung tira. They get it back. Manase attacks. Manase overshoots it. And Moral is fouled. The chances are there para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. They're just not capitalizing on those chances. But right here, Chog Moral again to the free throw line. 1 out of 2 siya kanina sa earlier trip niya. Now, he makes the first one. 8 points ang kanilang hinahabol. Again, 1 out of 2 for Chog Moral. Naku. Dangerous pass, gives it to Rodriguez. Gives it to Canlas. And Canlas with a finish on the eye in the sky play. 10-point lead for Bayung Porac. A good move right there. Hindi nga lang pumasok para dito kay Makaspak. And wisely, Rodriguez will just waste away some clock here. Bayung Porac looking like they're going to go back-to-back victories dito sa Delta Cup. Naku gives it back to Canlas. Naku attacks. And Naku is fouled.
31.3 seconds remaining dito. And with these two free throws ni Naku, he can seal the deal para dito sa Bayung Porac. Again, back-to-back victories ang kanilang makukuha dito. Si Coach Rexan Gunan not happy as a timeout right here for Coach Arvin Ibay. Bago mag-free throw, etong si Naku. 31.3 seconds remaining dito. 79-69 is our score. We have a timeout on the floor. We will be right back.
Sinaglakas 40 semifinals game 2. Bukas po magaganap yan sa Manolo Sports and Convention Center. Game number 2 ng Taytay J Project kontra Tito Rex's Firewire and Santa Rosa Lionsades kontra the home team Malolos Republic. Bukas po yan sa Manolo Sports and Convention Center. Kaya kita-kita po mga kasinag. Right here, Rodriguez will be fouled by Pangilinan. And that'll put Villa de Bacolor over the limit. This will be 2 free throws para dito kay Romanchito Rodriguez. Let's see if he can make both free throws. And Rodriguez makes the first one. .11 lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. 2 out of 2 for Rodriguez. And a 12-point lead para dito sa Bayung Porac. That might have sealed the deal na dito as a timeout is whistled right here. Para dito sa Villa de Bacolor, 81-69 is our score. .8 seconds remaining in this ball game. 12-point lead para sa Bayung Porac. De La Cruz to inbound. They give it to Manase. Good tap right there by Canlas, and that'll do it. That seals the deal na for Bayung Porac. There's a foul pa dito. Frustration foul for Dirk Makaspak right there. As Kenneth Naku with 2 free throws to ice this ball game. Naku hits the first one. See if he can make the second free throw right here. No, he can't, but they keep it. Oh no, a stolen away pa dito by Dirk Makaspak. Dirk, the layup is good, and that'll just change the final score. But it'll be itong Bayung Porac who will end this game with a victory right here. And De La Cruz still fouls Canlas. Stanley unable to make the free throw. Second free throw ni Canlas. Knocks it down. And a timeout para dito sa Villa de Bacolor na naghahabol dito ng 11 puntos. 82-71 with 8.7 seconds remaining in this ball game. They'll try to map out one last play to cut this lead down, but let's look at this layup right here. Galing dito kay Dirk Makaspak. Naputol niya ang kalamangan dito, but with those 2 free throws, nabalik sa 12 ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung Porac. 8.7 seconds natitira sa ating laro.
De La Cruz to Chog. Moral attacks. Moral gets blocked right there by Canlas. 3.1 seconds. This is all but done na dito sa ating laro. That'll do it na. What a victory para dito sa Bayung Porac. They get back-to-back victories sa ating tournament dito after the last game. Ng panalo nga nila, natalo nila etong Arayat, and now they defeat etong Villa de Bacolor. They will go up sa team standings natin dito for bracket A. They're inching closer dun sa top 8 seeds. Napapasok lang for the bracket A, and that is our final score, 83-71. A 12-point victory para dito sa Bayung Porac. And ngayon kasama ko na ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Joren Mark Gigante. Joren, congratulations. Back-to-back best players para sa'yo. Dito sa laro na to, parang may konting alitan kayo ni Chog Moral na parang friendly competition, no? Na-motivate ka ba na kaibigan mo ang kalaban mo na parang babawian mo siya kada may gagawin siya?
Teammates ko po siya sa Pampanga sa NBTC. Matagal ko na po siya kasama na nakakakampi ko din po siya sa Porac Intertown 1800. Kaya matagal na talaga kami kasama ni Chog Moral.
Kaya medyo na-motivate ka na talagang galingan at talunin siya ngayon. Pero speaking of, itong panalo nyo, and yung panalo nyo sa Arayat, aangat kayo sa team standings. Malapit na kayo dun sa top 8 para makapasok sa playoffs dito sa Delta Cup. Anong nararamdaman mo na may chance na kayo makapasok sa top 8? At ano pa mga kailangan yung gawin para ma-secure yun?
Siguro kailangan pa ng sipag, tiyaga. Siguro hindi pa kami magpapakumpante ngayon kasi madami pa kaming pagsubok na kailangan lagpasan. Yun lang, tsaka lang lagi, tiwala sa mga teammates, sa mga coaches, maginig lang.
Well, with you leading the way, for sure, malaki ang tiwala nila para sa'yo dahil back-to-back best players ka nga. At ito, chance mo na, Joren, para bumate sa mga nakatutok sa'yo ngayong araw.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ulit ako kay Lord na binigay ulit niya yung panalo. Siyempre, shoutout sa walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin, si Mayor ng Jingkabil, Bayung Porac. Tsaka yung mga tito ko na pumunta pa dito, yung mga nagsuporta sa amin sa mga Porac. Siyempre, yung family ko, yung mga kaibigan ko, yan.
Once again, that's Joren Gigante, ang ating back-to-back best players of the game for Bayung Porac as they get back-to-back victories dito sa ating 2024 Delta Cup. 20 points para dito kay JM Gigante. What a performance nga para sa kanya. Pero mga Delta, ito po ang ating updated bracket dito for bracket A. Umangat na nga itong Bayung Porac at 3-3. Pasok na sila sa top 8 dito. Mag-aabang nga tayo anong mangyayari sa mga susunod na laban pa dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. But speaking of sa susunod na mga laban dito, tutok lang po kayo sa mga Facebook page kung kailan po ba mga susunod na laro dito. Facebook page namin ng Pampanga PIO and also Sinag Liga Asia. At that ends our 4 games of this Saturday quadruple header. Magtatapos po dito. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Carlo Orpos, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brenzy Giao Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup and we are saying goodbye. Mamba out.